Welcome back. In this video, what we're going to do is create two more variables that will display the name of the user who has the high score 1 and high score 2. And so I'm going to make a new variable. I'm going to call it high score 1, just HS1, and I'm going to create another one, and I'm going to call it HS2. And I'm going to move them. So this is something that you just do on the screen. This requires no coding. So I'm going to move this here and move this here, and I'm actually going to change what they look like. So when I right click on them, I'm going to say large readout here. I'm going to say large readout there. And I'm going to go to where the code for all of this stuff is, which is on the stage. And at the start of each game, I'm going to hide those so that they're not taking up space while I'm playing. So I'm going to hide each one of them. And I'm going to show them down here when the game is over. And now what we're going to do is actually tell the game to show the username and hold on to it in the history of the game to show every time until that score is no longer the high score. And we're going to do it like this. We're going to say set high score 1 user to the name of the user, like this. I'm going to duplicate this and change the name of the variable right there. And I'm going to insert that here so that this only happens when there's a new high score. Now let's see how that works. Okay, so it did it over here already for this one. So I'm going to click the game start. I'm going to score 4 points this time and see what happens, just to make sure it works. So there's going to be 1 point, 2, 3, and 4, and now I lose the rest of the game. There goes the second one. And the third one. And look at that. Now it knows that my username belongs in both of those spaces. And that's great. In the next video, what we're going to do is introduce a mechanism that will let us award bonus lives to the player when a certain score is reached. So I'll see you in the next video.